The blueprint for team success. Defining roles and responsibilities clearly. Within a high-performing bid team, clearly defining roles and responsibilities is a fundamental building block for success, not just a procedural formality. Ambiguity in responsibilities can lead to confusion, duplication of effort, and missed deadlines, ultimately compromising the proposal. Why clear roles are a fundamental building block. A well-defined set of roles and responsibilities acts as a blueprint for team success. It provides clarity. Each team member understands their specific contribution. Accountability. It fosters a sense of ownership and accountability. Framework for collaboration. It provides a structure for effective collaboration. The absence of clear roles can lead to a chaotic and ineffective bid process, where team members are unsure of their tasks, and critical aspects of the proposal may be overlooked. The bid manager, the conductor of the orchestra. The bid manager is the central figure, the conductor of the orchestra. They are responsible for the overall management and coordination of the entire bid process, from the initial qualification all the way through to post-submission activities. They act as the project manager for the bid, ensuring the team stays on track, meets deadlines, and delivers a high-quality compliant proposal. Their key activities are wide-ranging and critical to success. They develop and manage the bid plan and schedule, lead and coordinate the activities of the team, and facilitate all communication and collaboration. They're also responsible for monitoring progress, identifying and mitigating risks, and ensuring that all compliance requirements from the RFP are met. They oversee the entire submission process and even manage post-submission activities like client presentations or interviews. The proposal manager, writer, the architect of persuasion. Next, we have the proposal manager, writer. This role is the architect of persuasion. They are responsible for the actual development and writing of the proposal document itself. They work closely with all the other team members, especially the subject matter experts, to gather information and then craft compelling content that is clear, concise, and persuasive. Their key activities include developing the proposal outline and structure, writing and editing the content, and ensuring there's consistency in the tone and messaging throughout the document. They are also tasked with incorporating the key win themes and value propositions, managing proposal graphics, and overseeing the final review and editing process to ensure a polished final product. The subject matter expert, SME, the wellspring of knowledge. The subject matter experts, or SMEs, are the wellspring of knowledge for your team. These are individuals with specific technical, operational, or domain expertise. Their job is to provide the detailed information and insights needed to build a credible and accurate solution. Their key activities involve providing all the technical information and expertise related to the proposed solution. They contribute to the technical proposal content, answer specific RFP requirements related to their area, and review the proposal content to ensure technical accuracy. They also participate in solution design meetings and attend team meetings to provide updates on their progress. The sales or business development lead, the voice of the customer. The sales or business development lead is the voice of the customer. They are responsible for providing critical client insights, contributing to the win strategy, and managing the client relationship throughout the bid process. Their knowledge is essential for ensuring your proposal is client-centric. Their key activities include providing information about the client's needs, pain points, and strategic priorities. They contribute directly to the win strategy, leverage existing client relationships, and provide insights into the competitive landscape. They also assist in tailoring the proposal to the client's specific needs and often participate in client presentations or interviews after the proposal has been submitted. The commercial or finance lead, the guardian of profitability. The commercial or finance lead is the guardian of profitability. They are responsible for all the financial and commercial aspects of the bid. Their role is to ensure that the proposal is not only winnable but also financially viable and profitable for your organization. Their key activities are to develop the pricing strategy and model, prepare the commercial proposal and pricing tables, and estimate the project's costs and profitability. They also analyze any financial risks, help negotiate commercial terms with the client, and ensure the proposal complies with all financial regulations and policies. Their input is critical for protecting the bottom line. The legal, contracts manager, the arbiter of compliance. The legal or contracts manager is the arbiter of compliance. This role is responsible for reviewing all legal and contractual aspects of the RFP and the proposed solution, ensuring that your organization is protected and that the proposal adheres to all laws and regulations. Their key activities include reviewing the RFP terms and conditions, identifying any potential legal risks, and ensuring compliance with relevant laws. They are also responsible for drafting and reviewing any contractual documents, providing legal guidance to the bid team, and ensuring that the final proposal complies with all legal and contractual requirements from the client. The review team, the gatekeepers of quality. Finally, we have the review team, who are the gatekeepers of quality. This is a group of individuals who provide critical feedback and scrutiny at various stages of the proposal development process. Their job is to ensure the proposal is accurate, complete, and compliant. Their key activities include reviewing the proposal content for accuracy, completeness, and compliance. They assess the strength of the value proposition and win themes, check for consistency and clarity, and provide constructive feedback and suggestions for improvement. They participate in formal review meetings and are a vital part of ensuring the proposal meets the required standards before it's submitted. Key takeaways: the foundation of teamwork. Clearly defining roles and responsibilities is a fundamental element of effective bid team management. It ensures that each team member understands their contribution, collaborates effectively, and works towards a common goal. By establishing clear roles, organizations can create a high-performing bid team that is well-organized, efficient, and capable of consistently delivering winning proposals.